Guys, I figured it out! I know what I want my new job to be. I'm going to be an entrepreneur.
A what?
You know, an entrepreneur. You get to be your own boss, make a lot of money, tell other people what to do.
Oh, you mean an entrepreneur.
Actually, there's a lot more to being an entrepreneur than being your own boss and making a lot of money, Bob. An entrepreneur is someone who effectively identifies a need within society and develops a way to serve that need as effectively as possible.
As per usual, you have made this significantly less fun for me.
Fun might be the wrong word, but entrepreneurship certainly isn't boring. Immense risk-taking combined with a dependence on creative thinking and near total freedom makes being an entrepreneur exhilarating.
And what about the part where you get a lot of money?
Actually, there's no guarantee that any entrepreneur will make any money. But if they have found a way to properly serve society's needs, their venture will be successful, and they'll be able to earn a living with their business. After all, without the motivation of reward, a lot fewer people would make the effort or take the risk.
So, if I were an entrepreneur, I could have a bunch of people doing my work and just keep all of the money they make for me?
Not at all. Employees help create value for a business and thus for the entrepreneur. And they're paid for what they do based on an arrangement both parties agreed to before any work was done. Entrepreneurs are usually going to get a bigger paycheck than their workers, true, but that's only because they took the bigger risk. The reality is, entrepreneurs risk a lot to develop products and services that will improve the lives of others. And they often have to spend years working 60 to 80-hour weeks without ever making a penny. In fact, the average small business takes 2 to 3 years to turn a profit, assuming they aren't like the more than half of all startups that tank in the first 4 years, leaving the entrepreneur with nothing but a failed dream and a bunch of debt. And remember, the employees know they're getting a paycheck. The entrepreneur doesn't.
So you're telling me that these entrepreneur suckers spend years of their lives investing their time and energy into developing crazy ideas on the off chance that they might just make something that I wanna buy?
Like your butt implants.
It's getting old!
Yep, a lot of entrepreneurs take risks and work hard because they love what they do, but earning a living is a good motivator too. No system is perfect, but a society which is friendly to entrepreneurship is a society which rewards those who serve the needs of others.